Hey guys, Hoser here. It's coming to the end of the day. Final call, warranty call. Customer, brand new unit, 1 year old. Apparently not cooling, something about coming on and off. Not cooling enough. So let's take you inside, see what we got. Okay, so what we're working on is a Lennox 13 SEER ACX, 1.5 ton. Customer saying it's coming on and off. Suction line's nice and cold. I'm going to connect my gauges, see what's going on. Perhaps the airflow is not set correct, right? So we got to, if there's too much sensible capacity, maybe we need to get the airflow correct so it does a better job of taking out that moisture. But let's see what we got. I'm going to connect my probes and go from there. So, pressure's still good. 10 superheat, 14 subcool. We're gonna go inside, connect my indoor psychrometers to have a better look at this. But we got everything connected. Let's head inside. All right, so. Definitely need a new filter on this one. What do we got for size? 16 by 25. Let's see if she has another one. If not, I might have one. Alright, so got one of my probes connected far away from the evaporator. You want to be out of sight. We got a 2-ton coil on a piston. Probe in there. Let's see what we got going. Alright guys, so superheats, it looks like we have an overcharge, right? Our target should be about 10. We're at 1 superheat. And if we look at our split, the split is a little bit lower, so I'm going to check the airflow. Looks like it might have some high airflow on there. This is a PSC motor, so chances are it's never been set correctly. So let's have a look. Alright guys, so right now we have cooling on brown. I can tell you right now on a 1.5 tons that's too high. So I'm thinking either yellow and red, but to know for sure I'm going to have to take my static pressure and reference my blower chart. So I've got my probes hooked up for static pressure, and let's see what we got. From my experience, on a 1.5 tons, red will be fine, and that will help from her AC coming on and off. It'll be on longer, getting rid of that humidity. So let's have a look. Alright guys, so I've changed the airflow. Look at my static after switching it to the lowest fan speed. This is rated for 0.5, so on brown that thing must have been just cranked. So let's pull up a blower CFM chart and see what that works out to in terms of airflow. Alright, so I'm on linuxcommercial.com. Let's go to gas units. We're going to go to ML195UH, which I believe this is. Let's just have a quick look. Yeah, ML195UH, which is this guy right here. Alright, so what we're looking for is this guy right here. Okay, ML195 XP36B. You want to make sure you don't get it confused with the 24B. But this is what we have. So we're currently at low, at about 0.6. So our CFM's already too high, right? 900. So they should have went with a 24B on this unit. if I go back to my static, 0.58, okay. And we'll just wait for that to load up. So we got 0.58. Go to my blower fan, 0.58, right there. So I'm gonna keep it on low. That's about the best we're gonna get. I would imagine what it was on was at least 0.7, if not 0.8 at medium high on a 1.5 tons. That baby was pumping out close to, you know, 2.5 to 3 ton, which is not gonna do very well for them. So we're gonna stick it on 0.6, 900. So superheat's definitely low. My low side came down a bit, but target superheat should be 10. So I'm gonna have to pull out a bit of gas to get that closer. Split came up closer to the target of 17. So I'm gonna go outside, I'm gonna get that superheat in range, and that should be a lot better. Yeah, see our sensible load and our latent load's looking a little bit better. It was worse before. CFM looks on point right now. So let's go outside, get that superheat in check. Alright, I got a new filter here. We'll get them a clean filter. Arrow always points towards the furnace. There we go. There we go, that static's bang on now with the new filter, right? That's good, that takes us to 0.5. 0.5 on low is still 940. Mismatch, but doing better. So let's go take out the juice. See what my superheat's still at. No good. So let's get that where it needs to be. So what's nice about this is you could dial it back. And we'll connect this guy up. Start removing some gas. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to send liquid straight to my container, which had a vacuum on it, so it should be able to be pushed out there. I mean, I don't need to remove much. If we look here, my target superheat should be about 10, you know, so we'll just pull out a bit. Watch my superheat go as I remove the gas. You can see that my low side pressure is above target. So you don't want to overshoot it and then have to add it back. So we'll go up to 5 ounces. That's probably what it was. I mean, the neighbor was complaining the unit was coming on and off, and you saw the airflow on there. I mean, it was cranked. So you're not really pulling out moisture. It's you know, it's cooling sensibly, so that temperature is coming down faster, I would think. And now we're going to set it up the best that we can with the units that we're working with. So as you can see, superheat is coming up fast. I'm gonna hold off for a bit. All I took was 5 ounces out and that superheat's climbing. So we'll let it settle for 5-10 minutes and see where we end up. All right, guys. So starting to taper off. My load's actually getting low, but superheat's looking a lot healthier. Okay, my deltas are good. Everything's lining up much better now. Airflow is good. If I just switch over here and we look, target superheat's bang on, and my split is bang on. My airflow's looking good. So I think this one's in a lot healthier condition. So a couple things: we reduced the airflow to give more latent capacity so the unit doesn't cycle on and off too much. It also reduced the static pressure below what it should have been. Pulled out 5 ounces so that we're not slugging the compressor with liquid and we have some superheat. So I'm signing off from this one. This one looks a lot healthier. Just thought I'd show you guys that. And I'm gonna wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, like, subscribe. See you on the next one.